You want to tell the camera a little bit about what meal you just made, how you made it, what it is?
Alright, so we got multi-layered soup going on. Our protein layer was brined in a Hopadillo IPA. After I reduced the alcohol out of the IPA, I let the meat sit in there for a while. After that, we cooked it down. We got the potatoes all diced out. Tons of prep was done. Squash. It's beef stock. It's vegetable stock. It's fats. It's proteins. It's a whole lot of everything really going on here. Right here, I'm actually cooking down chicken orzo, or just a regular orzo. I wanted to go actually with the steak, so it's kind of like a beef orzo. I haven't really done it before, but I thought this would go really good. I'm boiling it with the starch water that I have from my potatoes and my vegetables, as well as a couple broths. Instead of using water to boil the pasta, I thought that might as well take use of what I have already.
Yeah.
A lot of the waters and stuff like that.
And what kind of meats did you use?
All craft meats from Borari.
Borari, eh?
Borari, eh?
Oh.
Yeah, that's
Where's
right.
that at?
It's off of South Staples.
Oh, okay.
In the neighborhood of Corpus Christi.
Beautiful.
Good
So beautiful. What about this right here? What happened here?
That's the soup with the squash as well as carrots. There's really not a lot of vegetables that we didn't add to it. Bell peppers, onions, garlic. We added all the essentials right there. Here, let's pull some. I got kidney beans in there. I got meats. I got beef.
Oh, man. Okay.
All just roasting in here.
That's beautiful.
And I thought that people would really enjoy that.
But thank you so much for sharing.
Yeah, no problem.